How to trade in derivatives at Bitexen Global. To trade in derivatives, you must have a balance in your derivatives account. Go to the Derivatives tab from your account page. Here, you can view your balance and click the Transfer button to add funds. You can check your updated balance in the same section. Alternatively, you can also use the Add Funds button on the Derivatives page to add funds. For opening a position, click on the Trading Pair section and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Click on Isolated or Cross tab to select the margin mode. On the new screen, you can also set the leverage ratio for your trade. Cross margin allows you to allocate all your derivatives account balance against any liquidation risk, while isolated margin allows you to keep the liquidation risk limited with the specific amount allocated to that trade. Click on Save to save the selected parameters for your trade. Click on the Buy or Sell tabs to set the direction of your order to open a long or short position. Select the order type such as market, limit, and stop orders, and the order price. Set your order size. You will screen the total order value. You can view the amount of funds allocated for the trade. Click on Buy Long or Sell Short buttons to finalize placing your order. Once the order is placed, you can scroll down and go to the Positions tab to see the position details in the RPNL and UPNL sections. You can see the realized or unrealized profits of your trade. To close your position, you can again use limit or market order types. Note: derivative trading involves high risk. We recommend carefully planning your risk strategy before opening a position.